Hello. In this video, we want to find the derivative of a y equals the square root of x plus 3 times x squared minus 5x. Okay, here's the thing. I want to go ahead and have us just memorize something. If, let's say h of x, if h of x is equal to the square root of x, that tells me that h prime of x would be 1 over 2 square roots of x. Or if you prefer, 1/2 x to the minus half. That's something that's going to be very helpful for us. Anyway, in this, our first is square root of x plus 3, and our second is x squared minus 5x. I'm going to use the product rule to find this derivative. So I'm going to find dy dx this way. So it's going to be just rewriting the first, which is square root of x plus 3, and then times the derivative of the second one. Derivative of x squared is 2x, and derivative of negative 5x is negative 5. Awesome. Now, I'm going to add on the second. Now the second is just it's the second, which is x squared minus 5x, and then times the derivative of the first. Well, the derivative of the square root of x is just 1 over 2 square roots of x, and the derivative of a constant is 0. Okay, good. Now notice that I need to go ahead and multiply these out, and think of square root of x as x to the half power, or the square root of x here as x to the half in the denominator. So if we were to multiply this all out, FOIL this, so square root of x times 2x, so x to the half times 2x would be 2, and then x to the 1 plus a half is 3/2. Square root of x times negative 5 is negative 5 square roots of x. Square root of x, 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Good, I just FOILed that. Now to distribute this one, x squared times 1 over 2 square roots of x. Well, it's going to give me a half for sure, but x squared, x to the half power, 2 minus a half is 3/2. So x to the 3/2 power. And then negative 5 times 1/2 is negative 5/2. And then x to the first power divided by x to the half power, 1 minus a half is a half. Now, technically, I can just put that one as a half there. And then just combine like terms. Notice the highest degree here is 3/2. So there's a 3/2 one there. There's a 3/2 one there. So 2 plus a half is 5/2. X to the 3/2 power. Good. Now, are there any x terms? There are. There's one there. So I'm going to put a plus 6x there. Any half terms, or half exponent? Yep, one there, one there. So negative 5 minus 5/2 is negative 10/2, minus 5/2 is negative 15/2. Then x to the half power. And then just minus 15. And my recommendation is just leave it like that. Alrighty. Now notice that if you had not done this, you would have had to FOIL up here as well. So either way, you're having to FOIL. There you go. Alrighty. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.